awarding, please proceed po tayo lahat sa City Vet Office.
Once again, we would like to thank our partners for these years. Lechonan sa Jensen Plaza. We have Belvico Feeds, Barnyard Veterinary Supply, and Aboitiz Foods. Our Lechonan this year is spearheaded by the City Veterinarian's Office, headed by Dr. Edward Alexander Layson. And for our champion for this year's Lechonan is Kinsa!
Kinsa!
Isagit ninyo inyong inyong bet. Who's your bet?
Kinsa na katilaw lechon na? Wala pa? Wala pa? Ay, sige, later. Okay, for our first place for this year's Lechonan sa Jensen Plaza with an average score of 90.6%. Our first place goes to
This year's champion for Lechonan sa Jensen Plaza is
Litwinas Lechon House!
Okay, congratulations for this year's champion sa Lechonan is Litwinas Lechon House!
Congratulations everyone! Napay nabiling sa Litwinas Lechon?
Dapat katilawan. Katilawan nilay. Chamba-chamba na lang asa ang Litwinas dito. Asa ang basta kay Lechon. Daghan kayong salamat sa atong 13 ka mga Lechoneros who participated for this year's Lechonan sa Jensen Plaza. Once again, thank you to Cabasa Lechon House, Kenzo's Lechon House, Inas Lechon House, DJ Lechon House, Difidil Lechon House, Dennis Lechon House, Ogyok Lechon House, Edwinas Lechon House, Mark Avery's Lechon House, Rich Lechon House, Roy Hani Lechon House, Robert Lechon House, of A-Twin Native Lechon House. Muli po, next year, kita-kits muli, and inviting everyone, our entries, 13 entries, to proceed to the City Veterinarian's Office for your small gathering. Okay, for our Hito Cooking Contest, hanggang na ba po? We have a total of 9 contenders for this year's Hito Cooking Contest. Once again, we would like to request our City Agriculturist from LC, Dr. Edward Layson, our City Veterinarian, and our Executive Assistant to the City Mayor, Attorney Nikki Catolico, to award our winners for Hito Cooking Contest. For our Hito Cooking Contest, our third place will receive 2,000 pesos. Our second place will receive 2,500 pesos. And our champion for this year's Hito Cooking Contest is 3,000 pesos. At walang uuwing luhaan because all participating entries will receive 1,000 pesos.
And for this year's third place for our Hito Cooking Contest, we have an average score of 86.67% is coming from Barangay San Isidro.
Congratulations, Barangay San Isidro. once again, our third placer for Hito